Yes, welcome to my YouTube channel on how to start life. If this is your first time, you're highly welcome and I love you so much. As you are looking at me and you're smiling, me so I'm smiling because I so much love you and I cherish you. Okay, well, today I want to talk about how can we make our life, how can we make life to be equal? How can we make everything work equally for us? Number one thing is you taking advantage of everything around you in a positive way. And then when you have bicycle, don't go and be behaving and be feeling like someone that have the latest car. You understand? Be contented with what you have around you. While you pray for more, you should be appreciative for the ones you have and you should value them. And it does not mean that the people that have more than you should use negative eye to look at them. And for now that you don't have that particular thing that you need, you don't need to make it your number one priority prayer point in life. Your number one priority prayer point in life should always be, God, thank you for where I am and thank you for where you are taking me to. When you make your future need, when you make it your number one priority in your prayer and in your thinking, it's just like you telling your mother give you rice, or let me use something. Okay, let me say your mother give you eba. If you are from Nigeria, you know what is eba, gari. So let me say your mother give you gari, and you forgot to tell her thank you because it wasn't gari that you want. All you want was rice and chicken. If you tell your mommy thank you for the gari, clean up the plates, and now come back and be gisting with your mommy, and I say, mommy, what about if we prepare rice tomorrow? How does it sound? It sounds better, right? Instead of you just ignoring the gari and tell her, what is this? Every day gari. If you ask her in a polite manner, you will know if she is capable of keep providing the rice or not. In this way, is much more better. Like this, life will be equal and sweet. I love you. And how to start life? Start here 2024 with this particular one I've given you, and you'll always be happy. Thank you. Love you. See you on my next topic. If this is your first time, like it, comment, and share to your friends. I love you. Bye. See you next.